Hi everyone, it's William Black here, and in today's video, what we'll be discussing is instant miracles, how to use gratitude meditation. So let's begin. We'll kick this off by discussing what will be covered, starting with can you use gratitude meditation to manifest instant miracles? Then how to get started with clearing financial blockages. Finally, manifesting your own instant miracle using gratitude meditation. All right, we'll now kick this off with the first point. Now, most people have mixed feelings about miracles and whether they happen or not. There's a lot of different opinions on this and a lot of questions. The thing to realize is that instant miracles are very much possible. Most people just don't manifest them since their consciousness is too low and they're not at that level of readiness to be able to attract and manifest it. When you read about the great men and women of God, for example, and spiritual gurus, like in India and other places, they were all able to perform great miracles and instantaneous. When your consciousness is clear and you have an unwavering faith and conviction that you will manifest one, then it will happen before you know it. All right, let's now discuss the second point, how to get started with clearing financial blockages. Much like anything, you need to go inward and recognize what kind of blockages, mental, emotional trauma, conditioning, etc., needs clearing and needs healing. You then do the work to get any of those issues cleared out through breath work, meditation, and energy clearing. Once you've done clearing, that is when you'll be able to start the path of manifesting instant miracles into your life, whether it be finances, health, relationships, or career, or any other thing like that, or other area of life. All right, we'll now get to this final point, manifesting your own instant miracles using gratitude meditation. So this process starts by practicing gratitude daily and being thankful to God and Christ that your instant miracle has already manifested. You then put on meditation music, set up the ritual that we've used in previous clearing videos, and do breath work to calm your mind. As you start to relax and your mind empties, that's when you allow the insights and clarity to come to you. Now, we can't make insights come. We can only allow them to come and be patient. It may come straight away, but other times it can take some time. But it never comes at the inappropriate or wrong time. It always comes precisely when you need it. You conclude it by being guided by God, by Christ, by Spirit, as to what needs to be done next to manifest your instant miracle. We'll now look at a practical example of how this has been applied. One time, I actually had a client who I was working with, and he was working in an extremely toxic business where he was dealing with narcissists and horrid energies in there. The boss also was not listening to him or other people to improve the revenue, which was lower than it should have been. The client worked with me to clear up blockages, negative energies, bad emotions, etc., as well as learning how to practically apply it. And I gave him the tools on how to practically apply it as well. He then ended up telling me in a testimonial that the business ended up quadrupling in sales after that, which was a massive miracle abundance. All right, we'll now do a quick summary and recap of everything we covered. First one, manifesting instant miracles is very much possible. It just requires a clear consciousness and a strong level of faith and conviction. Second one, clearing out financial blockages involves recognizing which ones these are or which ones there are, then doing breath work, meditation, and energy clearing. Thirdly, and finally, once you've followed the process of manifesting a desired result, that's when you let go and let God take care of the rest. All right. Any questions that you have, just feel free to leave it down in the comments below. Thanks again, everyone, for listening to this video. I trust that you got a lot out of it and enjoyed it. Before we end, I hope you all have a great rest of your day, evening, wherever it is you are. Take care. And before you end the video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and to get more videos like these. Thanks again, everyone. Take care, and I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.